Alright, hi guys, hopefully you all can see me. So today we are doing a photo shoot. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiara. My channel name is OhSoKiaraaa. So today we are going to do a photo shoot. So this is a business photo shoot. So if you all didn't know, I do have an accounting business. Organized Books is the name, and I have been in business, I think this is going on my 5th year. And so basically I help e-commerce sellers or service-based business with their bookkeeping. And so that's my business. And so we're just doing a photo shoot to refresh up the marketing. Earlier I had to drop off the little one at his aunt's house, so I'm here a little early. So I just wanted to do an intro. So I'm just going to go and see if she's here. I am going to put the location where I am, and you all can check her out. This is my 2nd time shooting with her. She did some headshots for me, and I'll post a picture here on what that looked like, and I love them. So right now I think what the package I purchased was like the brand package, and I'll put it here on the screen, whatever I did purchase. And yeah, so let's get it done, and you guys will follow me along today. I don't know what else we're going to get into. I know I want to eat because I really haven't ate. All I had today was half of this, and it's a vanilla chai protein, and so this whole bottle is 320 calories. Oh, and then I had a half a banana. So with a business photo shoot, you need your makeup, your hair done, your nails done, and then also you have to pay for the cost of the photo shoot, right? So to save on cost, I did do my own nails last night, and I'll put a video here on the process of how I do my nails. These are press-ons. And then as far as my makeup, I did my own makeup. You probably can't see it that well right now, but I did my own makeup. I took my time and did it. And then my hair is just a wash and go, and I'll put a video on how I do my wash and go there. I do have some hair ties and things, like I can fix it and everything. So we'll see if I do another style or whatever. I did bring, so with this shoot, I think I get 3 changes. And I think I brought like 4 or 5 just in case. So yeah, it's a lot going into it. Like, you gotta get your outfits packed the night before, gotta get your props and everything. So it's a lot that goes into it. And so I am my own team, honey. Okay, I am my own team. So I'm gonna take this last bite of banana, cause I am hungry. And then I bought like a press pad, just in case I get like any creases. And what else did I bring? Like just some brushes, my lip liner just in case, and then like different lipsticks just in case I'm gonna change up my lipsticks. But anyway, like I said, let's go. I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it.
laugh out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's get this flick, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight.
Set the potato, boy, sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro. Back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside. Where everybody knows your name, everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro. Back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how
Hey, Kiara's crew. I'm Jojo, her photographer. She just got her shoot today, by the way. When you go on my page, CapturedbyJo_, you'll see her on all the headshot flyers. But yes, you guys can follow me on socials at JojoStyles_ and CapturedbyJo_ and on the tube at JojoStyles, Styles with a Z. Oh,
I'll be back consistent one day soon. She's motivating me. But yes, I'm about to subscribe now. She just told me she had a YouTube channel.
Hi guys, so yeah, a lot has went on between then since the photo shoot. So right now I am headed to go get my little one. I stopped and got me and my husband a salad for dinner, and then what else I did? Oh, I went to TGI Friday, sat down, did some business things on my laptop. So now I'm about to go get my little one. I am right here in East Point, Camp Creek area. Fun fact, we used to live over here. My husband had a house over here, and then we moved south to Atlanta. But anyway, yeah, and I got his salad. I don't know if I said, from Jason's Deli. And of course I had to get my ice cream. I love me some ice cream. This ain't the kind of ice cream I like. This soft ice cream. It's okay. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Today was fun. I do love this side of business, and I don't know, hopefully someday a beauty company, a hair company will call me and say, hey, let me fly you out. Let's do a photo shoot, something. I was talking to my husband about that earlier, but yeah, hopefully you can hear me. I just realized I'm covering the microphone. Dang, look at her. She got muscles. She gotta be about 6, you know. She look good. All right, bye y'all.